Hello, Edgar. Are you ready for Christmas? Oh, I see. Billy and Charlie have brought some building supplies. What are you building? Wow, that looks great. The base. Great teamwork, guys. Now let's build the next level. That's where the fire will be. Billy, can you bring in some wood? That's not much wood in the stack. Perhaps you should go find more. That big log will be perfect, but it needs to be cut into smaller pieces. Perfect. Great work, guys. The fireplace is finished. Ed, what are you doing now? Ah, making cookies. Yummy. Time to bake the cookies. Isn't it, Charlie? Just look at all the pretty snow on the trees. Look, there is Ed. Now Billy is in on it too. Now where? Where did Charlie go? Whoa! Merry Christmas, everyone. See you next time. Hi, guys. Ready to have some fun today? It looks as if this treehouse needs a little work. Be careful, though. You don't... Great job! Those safety rails will help. Almost done. This is the biggest treehouse I've ever seen. Whoa, that looks like fun, Ed. Just a few more pieces and the roof is finished. Are you okay? One more section to finish. Good work, Ed. Wow, Billy, you made that look easy. All right, the work is done. It's time for fun. You're going pretty high. What a fun treehouse. Good job, everyone. We'll see you next time. Now this looks like fun. But guys, playing in the mud is very messy. I think... It looks like the pieces are all here. We just need to put them together, okay? Billy and Charlie are working together on the framework. Isn't it amazing to see how quickly the work gets done when everyone is doing their part? Great job! Almost finished. Once these fans are in place, the car wash will be ready for its first customer. All right, Charlie, you get to go first. Charlie is enjoying his scrubbing. Does it tickle, Charlie? Who's next? Wow, Ed's being very nice, allowing Billy to go next. Come on, Billy. It's amazing how good it feels to get clean. See you next time, guys. Ed, are you supposed to be a pirate? I see. And Billy has the treasure map? Hi, Charlie. What's that? You have an idea? You want to build a pirate ship? Finished, but some pieces are missing. Careful, guys. Whoa, that was close. Oh no, the treasure map fell into the hole. Maybe Ed can reach it with his bucket. No? Well, let's finish building the ship and we can get the map later. Billy, Charlie is loading the lumber we need. Can you and Ed get the rest? Great job. We're almost done. You'll have the deck finished soon. Just a few more boards. Looks like Billy is almost finished getting the bowsprit ready. Once it's ready, it will help hold the ship's sails in place. Just a few more pieces to go. Charlie has the anchor, and Ed is getting the wheel which is used to steer the ship. Great work, guys! Now it's time to add the cannons. That's it! The ship is ready to sail. Hang on, everyone! Wow! It feels like the ship is out on the ocean. Thanks for your help, friends. See you next time. Looks like somebody's ready to have some fun today. Hi, Charlie the Crane, Billy the Bulldozer, Ed the Excavator. Are you guys ready to get started? Let's see what work needs to be done first. Looks like we have a giant ball pit and a big platform for jumping into the ball pit. But how are we supposed to get up on the platform? This looks like the beginning of a ramp, but all the pieces aren't connected yet. How will we know which piece goes where? You're right. Maybe we should match the colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The pieces are really big, Ed. I think you may need help. Billy, can you help Ed? Great. Working together will help get the job done quickly. Let's start at the bottom with a violet-colored piece. Next, we'll place this dark blue one. This color is also known as indigo. Uh-oh! The next piece in line is orange, but the base is blue. I think this one is in the wrong place. I think we might need Charlie to help with the rest. Charlie, can you lift the pieces of the ramp? That's the way, Charlie. I knew you could do it. The orange one is next. But how will you lift it high enough, Charlie? Great idea. Put it on top of the other pieces and let Billy push it up the ramp to the top. Almost done, guys. But which piece do we need? We've already used violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, and orange. How about red? That's the one! That's it! The ramp is ready to go! Let's play! Careful, guys! You're up pretty high! Who wants to go first? Wow, Ed! That looks like fun! Way to go, Billy! You did it! Great work, guys! Who wants to go again? That was fun! See you later, friends!